In this video, I'll guide you through how to make audio louder in DaVinci Resolve. If you're working on a project and find that your audio levels are too low, don't worry. Enhancing audio volume in DaVinci Resolve is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through the steps to do it with ease. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the timeline where your audio clip is located. It's essential to ensure that you're in the right part of your project so you can apply the changes to the correct audio segment. Once you're in the timeline, you'll need to select the audio clip that you want to adjust. You can do this simply by clicking on the audio track. You'll see it highlighted indicating that it's ready for editing. With your audio clip selected, let's move over to the inspector panel, which is typically located on the right-hand side of your screen. If you don't see the inspector, you might need to activate it by clicking on the inspector button at the top of the interface. Within the inspector, you'll find several tabs. The one we're interested in is labeled Audio. Click on this tab to access the audio settings for your selected clip. In the Audio tab of the inspector, look for the volume slider. This slider controls the loudness of your audio clip. To make the audio louder, click and drag the slider to the right. You'll notice a numerical value next to the slider, which represents the decibel level. As you increase this value, your audio will become louder. It's a good idea to play back your audio occasionally as you make adjustments to ensure it doesn't become distorted or excessively loud. Alternatively, if you prefer a more visual approach, you can adjust the volume directly on the timeline. Look at your audio track and you'll see a horizontal white line running through it. This line represents the audio volume. You can click and drag this line upward to increase the volume of your audio clip. This method provides an intuitive way to see exactly how much you're adjusting the audio in real time. While making these adjustments, keep an ear out for any distortion or clipping, which can occur when the audio is set too high. It's always a good practice to monitor audio levels using headphones or speakers to ensure the quality remains intact. If you notice any distortion, consider reducing the volume slightly or applying a limiter effect to control the peaks. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively increase the volume of your audio clips in DaVinci Resolve. This process is not only easy, but also gives you precise control over your audio levels, ensuring that your final project sounds just the way you want it to. Whether you're working on a film, a YouTube video, or any other type of project, adjusting audio levels is a crucial step in achieving professional quality results. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your audio editing skills in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.